Windsurf is a great platform for building interactive apps, but it can feel convoluted for users who are accustomed to a low-code environment. This video will show you 5 of the best Windsurf alternatives that offer similar power, smoother setup, and faster results, perfect for anyone who wants to build without diving deep into code. But let's first give Windsurf its flowers, and understand who it is for and for whom it isn't. Windsurf's an impressive platform, built for developers who love control, custom logic, and the freedom to fine-tune every pixel and workflow. If you're comfortable in the code editor and want to push technical limits, Windsurf absolutely delivers. It tracks full project context, runs multi-step flows through its Cascade agent, supports live previews, and one-click deploys. That said, and yes, there's always a but, that sophistication comes with friction. For folks building fast prototypes, automating internal workflows, or who just want to tinker without wrestling with code complexity, Windsurf can feel like using a shotgun when a hammer would do. Its AI flows are powerful but opaque. The learning curve can bite. And the more control you demand, the more you'll end up wrestling with context, edge cases, and config. So yes, Windsurf is brilliant for engineering-heavy teams. But if you want the same creative impact with less technical friction, the following options are more suitable. Alright, let's talk about Replit, easily one of the best low-code alternatives to Windsurf. Where Windsurf feels like a developer's playground, Replit focuses on simplicity and speed. Everything runs right in your browser, no setup, no installs, no headache. You just open a new project, pick a template, and start building. For non-coders, this is a huge win. Replit's AI features, like the Replit agent, let you describe what you want in plain English. Build a landing page with a contact form, and it generates the structure for you. You can tweak it visually, see live previews as you go, and even deploy your project in one click. It promotes collaboration by allowing you and your teammates to code together in real time, much like editing a document in Google Docs. This environment enhances teamwork and creativity, making it easy to brainstorm and solve problems. You can also explore and remix various projects from the Replit community. Sure, it's not entirely no-code. If you want something advanced, you'll still touch a bit of logic or styling. But for fast prototypes, internal tools, or quick experiments, Replit's a dream compared to Windsurf's complexity. It gives you the creative freedom without the technical grind. At second place, we have Bind AI, your intelligent, all-in-one AI ID built for creators who want full flexibility without drowning in infrastructure. It's a platform where you can build anything. What really sets it apart is model choice and depth. Bind AI gives you access to 15+ top-tier AI models, think Claude 4 Sonnet, GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, so the options are aplenty. It's not just code generation. Bind AI has GitHub integration, syncing your repos so you can push, pull, and evolve projects both inside and outside the IDE. And for deployment? Bind AI lets you deploy directly to Vercel, one click, instant live URL, previews, infrastructure handled. Because it uses the Vercel AI SDK under the hood, your prototypes or production apps flow from prompt to code to live within minutes. In short, Bind AI is built to bridge the gap between creativity and execution. It gives low-code or non-technical builders a power toolset, model flexibility, version control, live deployment, without requiring you to master servers, pipelines, or DevOps. Next up, let's talk Firebase Studio. Think of it as Google's full-stack cloud playground that enables you to build real apps straight from your browser. No heavy installs, no complex setup, just your idea and a workspace that's ready to go. Firebase Studio really shines for low-coders because you can start with natural language prompts. Tell it what you want, like a task manager app or a portfolio site, and it'll scaffold the front-end, back-end, authentication, database, and even hosting for you automatically. The AI-powered app prototyping agent behind the scenes leverages the latest Gemini 2.5 model to generate polished user interfaces and smooth workflows. Plus, you can import your Figma designs directly and have Firebase Studio bring them to life, adding screens and stitching flows on your command. It also plays nicely with GitHub, letting you sync your repos, collaborate with team members in real time, and keep track of versions effortlessly. When it's time to go live, you can deploy straight to Firebase hosting or scalable cloud run environments with previews and instant live updates. The integrated Firebase local emulator suite enables thorough testing and debugging of your app's backend services from within the browser. The best part? You can start in no-code prototyping mode and see your app live instantly, then level up to full code whenever you're ready for deeper customization. Sure, sometimes the AI prototyping needs a nudge, and some features require a billing setup, but overall, Firebase Studio is a smooth, powerful option. And then we have Lovable, an AI-powered platform that enables users of any skill level to create full-stack websites and applications through natural language. Simply describe what you want, and Lovable builds it for you, generating working front-end, back-end, authentication, and database logic automatically within minutes. Unlike traditional no-code tools that rely heavily on drag-and-drop interfaces, Lovable focuses on real code generation. You communicate your app idea in plain English, and Lovable translates it into production-ready code. React with Tailwind CSS for the front-end, Node.js with Supabase or Prisma for the back-end and database, respectively. This approach provides something tangible to test quickly, bridging the gap between no-code prototyping and developer control. Lovable's interface supports both chat-driven interaction and visual editing. You can refine your app through a conversational, chat-like prompt system where you tweak features or fix issues. For users who prefer visual tools, Lovable also offers drag-and-drop components, intuitive layout customization, and workflow setup. Version history with undo and rollback features lets you experiment safely and improve your project step by step. Lovable offers seamless GitHub integration, allowing you to connect your app to your repository and maintain full ownership of the codebase. You can edit code in Lovable's IDE or your preferred environment, with automatic synchronization for updates. Lovable Cloud provides an embedded backend service with features like user authentication, file storage, and scalable databases, eliminating the need for manual infrastructure setup. It supports common app patterns and scales easily as your app grows. While not for absolute beginners, Lovable is ideal for developers looking to streamline development by reducing boilerplate. It excels with clear prompts for accurate outputs and is suitable for rapid prototyping and MVPs. And finally, we have Base 44, an AI-powered platform that enables users of any skill level to create full-stack websites through natural language. Simply describe what you want, and Base 44 builds it for you. Unlike traditional no-code tools that rely on drag-and-drop interfaces, Base 44 focuses on real code generation. You describe your app in plain English, and within minutes, it creates screens, layouts, and basic backend logic, giving you something tangible to test. What sets Base 44 apart is its focus on real code generation. Instead of relying solely on visual interfaces, Base 44 translates your natural language prompts into executable code, providing developers with working frontends, backends, and database logic within minutes. Base 44 also provides easy editing with basic tools like undo and version history. You can experiment with changes, roll back if needed, and improve your project step by step. And if you prefer, you can directly edit code changes in GitHub or your favorite IDE, and Base 44 will synchronize everything. For those who prefer a more visual approach, Base 44 offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to build and customize your app without writing code. So that's it for our list today. Consider checking these options out to see what works for you. Thanks for watching.